Hello, I'm Gauri. This video is about plant site selection. Selection of a site is one of the important steps in plant design. The location of site has strong influence on various costs. There are many factors which must be considered while selecting site. Let us see these factors. So, the different factors are effect on community, transportation facility, land size, type of land, location of site, value of site, utilities available, climatic conditions, availability of raw materials, and other factors. See, these are the factors which decide site selection. The first factor we are going to see is effect of site on the community and environment. Chemical plant can generate effluent streams, emissions and byproducts. If released into environment, these streams will affect the well-being of humans. This will also have a bad effect on environment. There are chances that underground aquifers may get polluted by the industrial activity. The community in the vicinity is exposed to the dangers of site or plant. Hence, this is one of the important factors while selecting site for a plant. The industry conducts environmental impact assessment study to ensure that the problem of pollution is taken care of. Next important factor is land. It is important to know true value of land. Size of the land is also important as it will decide future expansion. A hydrogeological study of the land must be carried out to understand it better. Location of site is very important. The site must be approachable. The roads connecting the site must be well conditioned. Lot of efforts and labor goes into preparation of site. These are the factors associated with land. Next is transportation. The site should be connected by rail, road or air. Raw materials are transported to the site and finished products are taken out from the site. In this case, the transportation facilities are going to play a very important role. The manpower also has to move in and out of the plant. The connectivity of the site is therefore important. Next important factor is related to raw materials. Site should be located at a place where raw material required for the manufacturing process could be made readily available. Lot of money is required for transporting the raw materials. So while site selection, this is kept in mind. The presence of neighboring industries which can provide storage and other processing facilities is also considered. In some cases, workshops are required. So, this is also an important factor related to material processing. A site is incomplete without utilities. Availability of water, electricity, fuel, etc. influences the production. The presence of disposal units like wastewater treatment plant, solid waste treatment facility is very important. The site must have scope for creating such facilities, or these facilities must be available nearby. Manpower is very important in plant operation. Availability of trained manpower is a positive point. Lot of money and time is spent on training the manpower. So, if a well-trained manpower is attracted, it will be a benefit. Location of site must be chosen in such a way that the workers find it comfortable and safe to join the plant. The climatic conditions surely influence site selection. The rainfall, temperature, etc. can affect the performance of a plant. Wind data is also important in knowing the site. There are some other factors which influence the site selection, such as local politics, temperament of the society. There are factors like chances of hazards such as earthquake, fire, or landslide. So while selecting a site, all these factors are kept in mind. Site selection can also be done by making use of optimization. There is one more technique. In this technique, the various factors are enlisted in one column and number of sites in the next columns. Marks are given to each factor for each site, and overall marks are calculated. On the basis of these marks, the site is selected. These are the resources which I have used for preparing this video. Thanks for watching.